Looking for a premium home in a serene yet well-connected part of Gandhinagar? Today we will take you there to explore Rivanta Aurovile, a thoughtfully designed residential project by Omkar Buildcon. It's a fresh choice for home buyers and investors who want comfort, connectivity and quality living all in one place. Before deep diving, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Rivanta Auroville is located near Pramaukh Om on Thakar Farm Road in Sargasan, a suburb of Gandhinagar that's close to the SG highway, giving you smooth access to Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar and surrounding neighborhoods. It is set across approximately 0.87 acres. This project comprises 2 residential buildings with 109 carefully planned homes and is currently under construction with possession expected from December 2027. The project offers only 3 BHK apartments, designed for growing families or buyers who want spacious living. Units typically range around 1222 square feet to 1275 square feet, giving you ample room for comfortable daily living. With quality construction and modern layouts, these homes are ideal for residents who value both privacy and functional space. Inside the homes, Rivanta Auroville features premium finishes that include vitrified tiles throughout living and bedrooms, granite kitchen platforms with stainless steel sinks, decorative main doors and branded bathroom fittings, quality paint and textured interiors. These thoughtful touches enhance everyday comfort while giving a clean, modern look for your living space. Rivanta Auroville offers a host of amenities designed for relaxation and community living: gymnasium and fitness areas, cricket pitch and outdoor greens, mini theatre and community spaces, 24/7 water supply, landscaped gardens and gazebo sitting zones. Including this all, the project incorporates eco-friendly elements like rainwater harvesting and green landscaping, making it a comfortable and sustainable place to call home. With SG Highway just a short drive away, residents get convenient access to major work hubs and lifestyle destinations around the city. Prices for Rivanta Auroville's 3 BHK apartments start around Rs 1.05 crore and go up to approximately Rs 1.11 crore, giving a balanced mix of value and premium community living for this part of Gandhinagar. This makes the project a strong option for both end users and long-term investors aiming for growth in a developing suburb close to Ahmedabad. So if you are looking for a perfect house or an investment option, here is Rivanta Auroville. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more such property reviews. Thanks for watching and Har House ke liye housing.